at Fattie G's for the every Tuesday night cruise nights. Go. Where do you want to go? Look at them all. About 70 cars there. They all come to Fattie G's. Right, Cole?
Could we go this way? You see the front?
Yeah, but you're standing away from the road. Remember, get your tickets for the chicken barbecue. July the 5th.
This one looks good too. Bingo. Man, look at these tires.
Yeah. Look at them all, Kobe. Look at this one.
Look, this opens like that.
Sweet. Over here, bud. Huh? Don't touch. Make sure you don't touch.
No, I didn't say it.
You have to show Bob.
Now, the last car show was like
Like what?
2025.
So that's our anniversary. Hey, I tried it.
Why?
No, it's because he's getting too old.
He's what?
He's getting too old.
He's not
No,
too
let's
old.
start over there. Let's get over there. And then come down and I get the last cars. Start over here.
Where?
The blue car. Yeah, I'll be.
All right. All right. What are you smiling for?
No, let's go back. People are always in there.
because he's like, because once he does.
Wishing on a falling star, waiting for
What are you doing here, farmer? On your dirt bike? Your bicycle? Go spend money in the pizzeria, cheapo.
you can always change your name.
Huh?
No, we need to do this one.
Thanks a lot, son.
Where?
No, we don't.
I saw him that one day. I was
These?
like, yo, why'd you run by
I already did them.
Oh, you were there? And I was like, well, why didn't you?